got some motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys on the block.
Okay, you were Jonathan Cruz?
Yes, sir.
24 CR 565 is called, you were charged, as you know, with the state jail felony of theft. And then the indictment goes on to allege you have 2 prior convictions of state jails, and then this state jail felony then becomes a 3rd-degree felony for punishment.
Yes.
If all of this is true, if you're found guilty. And then you're looking at no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement in prison and a fine up to $10,000. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So here, Mr. Wilkerson has been your attorney. Are you detained on this?
Appointed, Your Honor.
Appointed. All right. Go ahead. You filed a motion to withdraw.
Yes,
Here on August 21st. Go ahead.
Your Honor. So in this case, we have endeavored to satisfy all of Mr. Cruz's requests and representations exhaustively, from contacting parole officers at his request because of a revocation warrant on file.
You do a good job. You are pretty intent on taking care of business.
To issuing subpoenas to phone carriers in a number of other locations. Ultimately, it comes down to a conflict that is renders this attorney-client relationship unworkable at this point. There are issues ranging from allegations that the dates on various offense reports or rental contracts or things of that nature are wrong, to even more in-depth issues. And so our last in-person meeting devolved into a loud exchange, Your Honor. I don't know what more I can do in service of representing Mr. Cruz. I believe it's in his interest and the interest of justice that another attorney be appointed to represent him on this matter.
Okay, so what happened? What's the blow up that happened on the last? Because I don't expect defendants to be mistreated, and I certainly don't expect my lawyers to be mistreated.
Yes, sir.
That will have severe sanctions. I can hold people in contempt of court because attorneys are going to quit wanting to represent people, and then good luck with the Constitution then if you can't be civil with a person who's working for your best interests. He's saying what he's saying. I don't believe him to be a liar and a man who is dishonest. He's never been that way to me. You can put that away.
This is a document that says that I gave him a number. This is from the emergency response for T-Mobile. He tells me that the company says that it's no record of such. And the company, this is a subpoena that says, know what, the attorney gave them the wrong phone number.
Right there.
No, this is the wrong, he asked them to research the wrong phone number.
Okay.
And they saying that he gave them the wrong phone number. So that's not my phone number.
Okay.
And they say it's right
Are
here.
y'all trying to fix that?
It says, please have your attorney correct the
Hold on,
target
he's
information.
talking. Let him talk. Go
It
ahead.
says, please have your attorney correct the target phone number and issue a new legal.
Okay.
So they saying that I have a phone number with you.
Okay.
But
Relax. Relax. Let me look at this. What's the? This is on August 11th.
Yeah.
Okay. T-Mobile hereby objects to the reference legal demand and is unable to respond, which is not service. Okay. You've seen this.
No, Your Honor, but we issued subpoenas for 2 different phone numbers based on our client's representations of what numbers belonged to him at the time. We received 1 affirmative response, to which we received a list of incoming and outgoing calls. I reviewed that with the client. He insists that other calls were made that are not shown on that record. The other phone number I subpoenaed was the number that was provided to me by my client in a number of different communications. This is just a series
What
of
about that?
ongoing.
Did y'all receive the information from the phone company on that?
We were, as indicated, Judge, we received one response with records, and we received another response with regard to the other number that he provided, saying that there were no records associated with that number. There are issues regarding the contract that was executed,
Contract.
allegedly to rent a vehicle.
Which is the basis of this
Which
charge?
serves as the basis of this charge. There are issues regarding offense reports submitted by other agencies to the Department of Public Safety, in which the defendant alleges that the reports contain inaccurate information. It's not a workable relationship, Your Honor, and I would just again urge the court to appoint a different lawyer, perhaps, who might be able to communicate with this defendant in a way that I seem not to be able to do.
Judge Steve, with all respect, sir, this is what I want. This is what I seriously need. I want him to show you one document from the text dot police, from the text dot division. I was in an accident with Enterprise Run. I was hitting the vehicle. In the text dot report is wrong. It says on that document, if an officer was on arrive, if a Dallas police officer arrived at this scene, then what is their final conclusion in the narrative? It says that an officer is flagged down, which means I called Dallas police, which means Dallas police should have a police report. He's going to text dot instead of Dallas police. You have Dallas County Sheriff that recovered the vehicle, and then you have Dallas police who actually wrote the dude that hit the Enterprise rental car called driver side and passenger side damage to the car. I had counsel, I had a beat counsel in here, and I had a left hip injury. I'm trying to get, then he tell me this, Enterprise rental is offering me $170,000. I told him no. Then he say Enterprise rental is offering me $230,000. I told him no. You more worried about the civil instead of criminal. For them to be offering me something like that, let me get on the streets. I'm not absconded. I can go get my own records and I will show you. That's why I'm asking, can you please let me see that take-down report so I can present this to Judge Stevens?
So,
Okay. What do you say to that?
There is a text dot report that comes from the Department of Public Safety regarding the accident that took place in Dallas. The report date on the report is from August 24th, I believe, of 2023. I believe the state also has a copy of that document. It was submitted with the.
What was the day of the report?
The day of the report was August 24th. It was in the document.
Okay. So that's before this event occurred.
No, Your Honor.
The indictment says on or about October 2nd.
No, okay, so the offense report was made in October, but the offense itself, the initial rental took place on August 17th of 2023, which the defendant also indicates or alleges is an incorrect date. And again, Judge, I don't even know where these numbers about hundreds of thousands of dollars are coming from.
Just
Look,
with all due respect, Judge Stevens, this is my first time ever in life renting the rental car. This date happened August 13th. I came back down here.
The facts don't have a lot to do with me unless you want to go to me for a trial. You want a jury trial. It's for the jury to decide what the facts are. Right here, what I want is a defendant and the attorney to work together unless you want to represent yourself.
That's another issue, Your Honor.
Is that right?
He alleges that he is entitled to hybrid representation. Judge, this is the offense report.
Judge, it says
I don't need
right
to see
there.
it.
This-
Hey, yeah,
So
you know what?
Damn.
You know
So that
what?
means that it's a Dallas
You-
police report and he refusing to go get it. That's the
Sit over
statement.
there. You're in timeout, Mr.
Oh, it's
Rude.
right and wrong.
You're right in timeout, Mr. Rude. My goodness. No, that we learned in first grade, don't speak over other people like you're doing to me. You want me to hold you in contempt? I can put you in contempt and that would add time to whatever this is. Don't be rude.
I'm saying, how you tell
Don't
me that
be
you don't wanna
rude.
see it? That's
I
not-
just said, you're gonna have,
It's my case. When you tell me I don't want to see that, you refusing my rights.
All right.
That's what you gotta do.
you're held in contempt. You are now placed back in jail until you can act properly, Mr. Rudeness.
I have a right to
Mr. Rudeness, go back inside. Thank you. All right. Yeah, well, you got your work cut out for you. What do you want to do?
I would like to withdraw from the case, Your Honor. The change that the defendant initiated with the court just momentarily is illustrative of every exchange that occurs in person between myself and the defendant.
Well, why would it be any different with anybody else, do you think?
Well, I have to believe that there is someone out there who can speak this defendant's language and make him understand.
English? Although it's a rude form of the English. All right, who's next on the trial? All right, all right, I'm gonna grant you relief. Put you out of your misery. But from time to time, we have obstreperous clients. They're very difficult, but maybe another one will be have some better results from his responses because he's obviously angry.